This is Altiza sliding folding system. So it has been designed 1:3 panel system. One is always an openable system here. So you can use it as an opening for your daily basis. If you need more area to be open, then you can convert this window into a French door where two shutters will be open. You can have this much of access. If you still need to open more bigger in size, what you have to do, you have to open this third shutter also. So you get more area to be open. Now you see, you can make 8 feet height window in this. Maximum height what you can do is 8 feet. Single glass as well as double D2 glass can be offered in this system. Right? Yeah. This will give you good sound insulation because it is covered with the gasket system there. So everything has a gasket. Every shutter has a gasket system here. So whenever you have to now close it, similar way you have to use this. Very easy to close. 2 fingers can be used just to close it. This is closed again. Now if you want to close this, again this will be closed. It's done.